हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतो नायं हन्ति न हन्यते
The COVID-19 pandemic, which started with the beginning of this year, has posed significant challenges to humanity as such, and especially to the healthcare personnel all over the world. It is a very contagious disease which spreads from one person to the another, and thus we realized early on that so as to serve our patients to the best of our capabilities, we will have to change the systems that we had in our hospital.
COVID-19 changed the way we work, travel, live, maybe forever. It started from China and grabbed the entire world in its arm. In our own state, Punjab, people were affected, and the impact is growing every day as the numbers are increasing.
Cardiac surgery has faced its own challenges. This being a complex procedure, we always run the risk of life of the patient. What is required is a very accurate and timely intervention. For successful results, there is an absolute need for a well-coordinated team effort in a safe environment.
Maintaining a perfect balance between surgical perfection and preventing spread of virus would be a tough task.
Doctors always have a responsibility, and priority has always been their patient's life.
Government taught us the way to fight this battle by lockdown, social distancing, wearing face masks, hand wash for 20 seconds and use of sanitizer. We strongly advocate this practice to be followed by everybody.
In spite of all of this, the disease is still spreading as we see number of cases rising in our Punjab. But
when going gets tough, the tough gets going. This truly applies to our dedicated team of surgeons, anesthetists, nurses, paramedical staff at Hero Heart Institute who decided to fight the battle of COVID-19.
Basic rules of disciplined lifestyle were strictly followed by all of us, with a special emphasis on personal hygiene, exercise, proper diet, most importantly, a positive attitude.
Our hospital management provided us the best equipment, especially masks, high quality PPE kits, face shields, sanitizers, and most importantly, the best testing facility for COVID-19.
This gave us a great confidence in our team to fight this battle as forefront warriors for the cardiac patient.
We all come across challenges in life, but at Hero Heart DMC, we accept them and face them. Whether it is opening up blocked coronary arteries, performing interventions on aorta, or doing complex structural interventions in an awake patient. For example, replacing a valve in a diseased valve while the patient is awake talking to us. That involves immense pressure and challenge. But at Hero Heart, we accept it bravely.
Undoubtedly, the entire humanity is undergoing a very tough era of coronavirus pandemic. We, the entire medical fraternity, are trying our level best to treat and care everybody in the best possible manner and with a touch of healing heart.
During this COVID-19 period, we have been able to perform 172 cardiac surgeries, including all types of rare and complex cases like cardiac rupture, post-tracheostomy tracheoesophageal fistula, aortic dissection, and post-MI VSR, all with a very good result.
During the COVID-19 period, after the lockdown, the Department of Cardiology has kept round-the-clock cardiac emergencies and inpatient services. All cardiology procedures are being done as a routine. During this period, we have performed more than 500 coronary angiographies, 150 complex coronary interventions, 75 pacemakers, and other device insertions. We have also performed other interventions like EP studies and radiofrequency ablations, alcohol septal ablations for HOCM, other structural heart disease interventions, and sclerotherapy or MOCA therapy for varicose veins.
We have passion and perseverance to provide quality cardiac surgical services to patients, and we promise to continue the same, and we strive for that.
Keep yourself fit in these corona times so that when we perform your cardiac tests, you can do it comfortably. And of course, when we look into your heart doing echo, it looks healthy and happy.
We need to come forward to meet the high expectations of medical as far as the community is concerned. So being specialized in cardiology, let's come forward and treat our patients with touch of heart. To maintain pace of the life, let's restore pulse of the heart.
We continue with the theme of our institute to put the patient first in everything we do.
Even in this COVID era, we continue to offer the best treatment for our cardiac patients and perform all kinds of complex procedures, taking care of all safety protocols. Besides giving continued emergency care to our sick patients, the unit Hero DMC has provided OPD and teleconsultancy to thousands of patients, not only to Punjab but also to the neighboring states.
And every member of our team, the doctors, the nurses, technicians, administrative staff, the helping staff and the cleaning staff, everyone was given the protocols by which to minimize the spread of COVID-19 could be achieved, so that one patient could not infect the other, and this could not happen from one healthcare personnel to other. And it is said that if you sweat significantly during practice, you will bleed less during war.
For the hand that rocks the cradle is the hand that rules the world. And it is the hand that serves the world also. I am fortunate to be a cardiologist and a frontline warrior too. This too shall pass, and we shall win.
There is nothing more rewarding than someone who goes out of the way to make life beautiful for others.
We as a team strive for our vision, the best center providing the ethical care with humanitarian touch.
अधिकार है, कर्म में ही तेरी शान है, कर्म तेरी पहचान है, बस जीवन कारण लड़ने आया, सूरज की तरह हर अंधियारा कर भस्म खुद ही जलने आया। चल छोड़ मन की कमजोरियाँ, रिश्तों की मजबूरियाँ, जीवन संघर्ष से बचना ही क्या, जीवन संघर्ष